Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosaza Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Mbali's mom finally breaks her silence while about Facebook wayobhala a very sad post lebhekiswe ebantwini after Mbali's ex-husband uLebogang Radebe ended a video whereby he was saying his side of the story. Uthi makwambali makakhuluma, you guys just ubhala into lethe man, so I can't read the whole thing, but uthi makwambali yena uMbali no Lebogang, when they met, they were both going through breakups from their previous relationships, and we are sure ukuthi bekangathanzi ukuthi babe together at that time because both of them bebangekho esimeni lesi-right kokuthi bangadata, but baqhubeka bona regardless ekutheni lo makakafuni baqhubeka badata. Ekudateni kwabo wabona uma kwaMbali ukuthi the guy actually love umntwana wakhe, wagcina wa-accepta. Okay, before accepta baqabene uma kwaMbali and uMbali ngokuthi uthi kuMbali kayekele lo mfana, and Mbali bekangafuni ukumekela kubani nguLebo. Wamuva out uMbali oyohlala naliba akaqoshwanga kahlahle Mbali ekhaya ukuthi umuvele out yena willingly because she chose love ne. Okay, uthi after skhathi sebahleli together and then uGuy waqala indzaba yani yokucheat after bona ukuthi vele yacheata, and he doesn't wanna stop. Wakhuluma ukuthi ufuna indzaba yesithembu, yena ufuna isithembu, and wahamba uLebogang waya kabobani ekhaya kubo wayokhomba i-girlfriend ayakhe lensha ebatalini bakhe. Uthi makusenjalo kena he was very abusive, amshaya kuMbali whenever bakhuluma ngale ndzaba lena, asho nje ukuthi yena uyasifuna isithembu ngengane, nendzaba yokuthatha uMbali bekangabafuni abantu bakhe ayikho. uMbali bekamthanda umntwana Lebogang azamendela ngisho nepart ne. Uthi uLebogang is very abusive, uyi-controlling freak, bese kafuna isithembu futhi ngengane, and uthi wamtshela kuMbali ukuthi okay Mbali, even your previous relationship wena lophume kuyo kwaba nendzaba yokuthi indoda yakho seyifuna isithembu, that's why you guys broke up because bekafuna isithembu. Hence why uLebo wathola bani uMbali going through a lot from a previous relationship. Shows kahle masingayibuka kahle uMbali, she's someone onenhlitiyo lencane or someone lone-trauma man, I don't know ukuthi ngiyibe kanjani, because bekahamba la ma-psychologist because bengakhona ikhandlisha like a breakup yakhe ne-ex-husband yakhe, not Lebogang, the first ex-husband ne. Meaning ukuthi singasho ukuthi vele uMbali makahlangana naLebo already bekanenkinga man, bekanenkinga, and umuntu vele ukuthi angiqabanga ukuthi noma ngaba kulenye relationship utoba right, because ngathi umuntu loshesha ave buhlungu kakhulu, and ekuveni kwakhe buhlungu uvele ende noma ngabe yini akhale, uyabona into enjalo. So ube traumatized a lot uMbali from her previous relationships. So kubuhlungu kakhulu guys lokwenzakalako, but makwambali nje uyasho ukuthi uLebogang she's like is lying, ayikho lento la ekhulumako. uMbali bekamthanza futhi nabantu abakhe, but yena ukuthi bekamshaya, and une-proof yokuthi vele bekamhlukubeda kuMbali amshaya. So people are saying ukuthi after uLebogang the ex-husband akhiphe a-statement asho ukuthi yena ufuna ukumsuwa girl because ugirl kahle kahle dicelela igama lakhe phansi ngelobani sebambeda ngenyanga yembombulu, fake nyanga, because of her, and he's saying ukuthi he's tired, ufuna kumthathela tinyathelo, ukhulumene loya awayakhe ufuna umthathela tinyathelo kubani kuMbali. Kushubile kushubile akushubanga kumunqu. So ngiloko nje uma kwaMbali ushilo ukuthi akakhulumi lokhu because of fame or ufuna ama-likes, ukhuluma as a mom, and makwambali labatiko bathi uyi-social worker or psychologist if I'm not mistaken. So uyayadi lento lakhuluma ngayo, but right now ne this story it's just so confusing. Makhuluma Mbali uyamthemba ukuthi khuluma iqiniso, makhuluma ex-husband uthembe yena ukuthi khuluma iqiniso, khuluma like guys indida, because wonke umuntu makhuluma vela sound ngathi ukhuluma iqiniso, but iqiniso latiwa banikade. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.